The Power 4500 Max PSI Washer is an exceptional tool that offers impressive cleaning power with a maximum pressure of 4,500 pounds per square inch, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces including your home, driveway, and patio furniture. Its powerful 1,800-watt motor is designed for efficiency, providing high pressure while maintaining low energy consumption, which is ideal for frequent use. Safety is a priority with this pressure washer, featuring a copper core motor with overheating protection, a total stop system, and a safety lock to prevent accidental activation. Versatility is enhanced by 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, allowing you to tackle different cleaning tasks with ease, from narrow gaps to large surfaces. The washer's design includes a convenient hose reel, spray rack, and power cord hook, ensuring that all components are neatly stored and easily accessible when needed. Its long 20-foot hose and 35-foot power cord provide ample reach, allowing for easy maneuverability and the ability to draw water from various sources.